Hello, I'm Valerie Okello, a research analyst at Capital A Investment Bank. I'll be giving you an analysis for the equities market for the month of May. Safaricom had the highest turnover. This came in after a strong full year 2025 results that exceeded our expectations. CAIB came in second. This was driven by heightened investor interest following its Q1 2025 results, which showed a marginal 0.4% rise in net earnings to 16.1 billion. The equity turnover at the Nairobi Securities Exchange rose by 19% month-on-month to 8.94 billion Kenya shillings, signaling heightened trading activity. The uptick was largely driven by renewed investor confidence following the suspension of the 90-day. In the month of May, we saw foreigner investor activity declining by 38.8%, with muted sell-offs resulting in declining net outflows to 146 million, down from 850 million the previous month. The slowdown reflects broader global risk aversion triggered by uncertainty around Trump's tariff policies, as foreign capital shifted towards safer assets amid rising geopolitical tensions. Kenya Power emerged as a top gainer in the month, driven by bullish investor sentiment ahead of its anticipated full-year earnings to be released in July. Strong interim results and the recent resumption of dividend payments further fueled optimism around the stock. Safaricom came in second as the top gainer after its full-year 2025 earnings exceeded our market expectations. The strong financial results boosted investor confidence and drove increased demand for the stock. NCBA came in third by delivering a strong Q1 performance, standing out as the only listed bank to report double-digit earnings growth. Additionally, several key blue-chip stocks were among the top gainers for the month, buoyed by positive investor sentiment following Trump's decision to pause tariffs. The top losers, we saw East African Portland Cement and East African Cables shedding 28.1% and 25.9% respectively. This is due to weak investor sentiment and persistent operational challenges in the industrial sector. We also saw the Court of Appeal granting Equity Bank to sell 4 properties of East African Cables to cover a loan amounting to 2.2 billion Kenya shillings. Uchumi supermarkets also continued to decline, shedding 23.5% in May, as investor concerns mounted over its turnaround strategy and overall viability. The situation worsened after the retailer lost a court case involving a protracted land dispute with KDF, dealing a further blow to its financial recovery efforts. For the month of June, we expect an increase in market volatility throughout June as renewed trade tensions weigh on investor sentiment. We anticipate President Trump's decision to reinstate and double tariffs on key imports will reignite global uncertainty and intensify risk of positioning across developing, emerging, and frontier markets. That's all for today. See you in the next.
Partner with Capital A Investment Bank to build a legacy that lasts.